The Toyota Camry includes two important lane assist safety systems: lane departure alert, or LDA, and lane tracing assist, known as LTA. Lane departure alert is a warning only system that alerts you when your vehicle begins drifting out of its lane. Lane tracing assist goes further by providing active steering assistance to help keep your vehicle centered in the lane. Here we can see what lane departure looks like. When a vehicle begins to drift or swerve outside of the lane markings, the system detects this movement and responds accordingly. There are specific situations where you might want to temporarily disable these lane assist features. Construction zones with confusing temporary markings can cause false alerts, and during low-speed maneuvers like parking, the system may interfere with necessary lane changes. The lane assist system includes several components working together, including a forward recognition camera and steering pad switch assembly. The steering wheel controls are key to temporarily disabling the system. Now let's learn the simple process to temporarily disable lane assist using your steering wheel controls. The process is straightforward and involves three simple steps. First, locate the LDA or LTA button on your steering wheel, typically found on the right side. Second, press and hold this button for 2 to 3 seconds. You'll need to hold it down rather than just pressing it quickly. Third, confirm that the system has been deactivated by checking that the dashboard indicator light turns off. It's crucial to understand that this method only temporarily disables the lane assist system. The system will automatically reactivate the next time you start your car, ensuring your safety features remain active for normal driving. For more permanent control over your Toyota Camry's lane assist features, you can customize or completely disable them through your vehicle's system settings. There are two main methods depending on your model year. Method 1 uses the multi-information display, which is available on all Camry models. Start by using the steering wheel controls to access the menu system. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate through the menu. Look for buttons typically located on the right side of the steering wheel to access the vehicle settings. Method 2 is available for 2022 and newer Camry models. You can access these settings directly through the infotainment touchscreen system. Navigate through the touchscreen menu by selecting Setup or Settings, then Vehicle, and finally Driver Assistance. Here, you'll find the lane assist options with detailed customization settings. Both methods give you three main setting options. You can turn the system completely off, set it to alert-only mode, or use the full alert plus steering assist mode. Important considerations. Disabling these safety features may affect your liability in accident scenarios and could potentially impact certain warranty coverage. Always consult your owner's manual and consider the safety implications. Keep in mind that increasing federal requirements for standard safety features may limit complete disable options in future Toyota models. These customization options give you control while maintaining important safety capabilities.